Hi, my name's Kip. I'm the owner of Folkers Window Company, and welcome to another edition of Fun Facts with Folkers. Today we're going to ask the question and talk about why are my windows cold and drafty. It's February on the Gulf Coast and it's still cold and you're feeling it. So let's have a little chat about that. So first of all, there's a couple reasons why your windows are cold and drafty. They could be old, and if they were built with the house, a builder grade window is designed to last for about 7 years. After that, they're going to start failing and you're going to start feeling that cold and that heat moving through your windows. So one of the first reasons that you might have cold and drafty windows is the seal is failing. And basically what's going on is between your panes of glass, you have a metal seal. This seal keeps out cold, the moisture, the humidity, which again can cause fogging and that sort of thing. But if this seal fails, your window has basically failed and you're going to start feeling the weather temperature differences. In other cases, it may be the felt that's lining your windows that creates another seal between your sash and your frame. If this felt is failed, rotten, moldy, nasty, and it's just not there possibly, that's going to allow window or air to move through your window from around your frame, through your sash, and into your house. Okay, another issue may be if you have old aluminum windows. They do not have the frame system that a new vinyl window does. Aluminum window might have just one section of frame allowing heat and cold to dissipate quickly from the outside to the inside, making your house colder and hotter in the summertime. With a vinyl window, you can see these chambers. So as the heat and cold move from the outside to the inside, it's dissipating. You know, it's losing 4 or 5 degrees each time it hits a chamber. So it might be 35 outside and 72 inside. This frame system allows that heat to remain in your house and the cold to remain outside your house. And lastly, a bad caulk job can cause you problems with keeping your house warm in the wintertime. So if the caulk has degraded on the outside or the inside and it's created cracks and crevices, that air is moving through there. So again, it goes back to making sure you have a good caulk job on the outside, which we can do for you. But if not, just take some caulk out there and seal that up. But again, you're still going to have problems that we've already discussed that aren't related to the caulk that you're going to have to fix. So there's a couple reasons why your house is probably drafty and cold in the wintertime. We can help you with all that. So again, give us a call. But thanks again for joining us for Fun Facts with Folkers.